Welcome back. Today I've got one of my personal favorite carry guns on the bench. It's a Glock 43. I thought I'd experiment some with a kryptek style camo on the slide, and as you've seen from the title, it didn't go so well. This will start the same as any other project, with disassembly, degreasing, finish removal, and surface prep, along with a pre-bake period to cook out the oils and the metal's pores. I was a bit surprised to find out that the factory sights in this slide are polymer. I'm not too sure what kind of heat they can handle, so I elected to use 180 degrees Fahrenheit for the duration of this process. Note that I've covered the rear surface of the sights prior to media blasting. This will preserve the white factory markings. My plan here was a 2-layer process with 2 colors each time. I'll bake in between layers to allow stencil application. I've found that the low adhesion frog tape makes a good transfer tape for intricate stencils like this. You can get that at any home improvement store.
Frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice. Cruising down the road, no thought getting old. The girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. every day. Don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
And here's the point where I started to know we had some issues. While peeling the transfer tape off, I noticed that I had adhesion issues on the top of the slide. I assumed this was a fingerprint or oil somehow left behind. This happens sometimes, and the only thing you can do is start completely over. I chose to go ahead and finish it out and experiment a bit with colors, knowing that I'll be redoing it in the future anyways. I thought a lighter gray in the second layer would contrast well with the black in the first layer, so I mixed some up. I should have stopped here and chose another color when I saw that it had a blue tint, but I decided to roll the dice anyways and see what happens. While peeling the stencil, I found another spot on the side from the first layer that didn't stick well. I'm not surprised since we already had signs of this elsewhere. I'm not personally a fan of the gray-blue color mixed in with these more traditional camo colors. I'm looking forward to redoing this in a future video soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more projects just like this in the future.